Hello, magandang araw, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. This is Lakay Romy Vlogs. Ito po, kakantahan ko kayo ng kanta ni Kenny Rogers. Ito na po. Everyone considers him the coward of the country. It never stood one single time to prove the counter wrong. His mama named him Tommy, but folks just called him Yellow. Something always told me they were reading Tommy wrong. He was only 10 years old when his daddy died in prison. I looked after Tommy, cause he was my brother's son. I still record the final words my brother said to Tommy. Son, my life is over, but your has must began. Promise me, son, not to do the things I've done. Walk away from trouble if you can. Now it won't make you weak if you turn the other cheek. I hope you're old enough to understand. Son, you don't have to fight to be a man. There's someone for everyone, and Tommy love was Becky. In her arms, he didn't have to prove he was a man. One day while he was walking, the Gatling boys came calling. They took turns at Becky, and there was 3 of them. Tommy opened up the door and saw his baby crying. The torn dress, the shattered look was more than he could stand. He reads about the playlist and took down his daddy's picture. As scissors fell on his daddy's face, I heard his words again. Promise me, son, not to do the things I've done. Walk away from trouble if you can. Now it won't mean you're weak if you turn the other cheek. I hope you're old enough to understand. Son, you don't have to fight to be a man. The Gatling boys laughed at him when he walked into the barroom. One of them got up and met him halfway across the floor. When Tommy turned around, they said, "Hey, look, old Yellow sleeping." But you would have heard the pin drops when Tommy stopped and locked the door. 20 years of groaning was bottled up inside him. He wasn't holding nothing back, he let out have it all. When Tommy left the barroom, that got me